Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have what you need: an iPhone with multiple lenses or a physical external lens. First, attach the external lens now or position your hand to tap the lens selector. Once done, open the camera app and pick photo or video. Make sure digital zoom is off to avoid changing focal length with software. Tap the numeric presets like 0, 5x, 1x, 2x. You're starting the actual focal length change by choosing a different optical lens, not by pinching the screen. Now switch lenses precisely. Tap the 0, 5x, 1x, or 2x button or slide the zoom bar to the preset marks. These map to different focal lengths. If you need more reach, choose telephoto or portrait. Those engage a longer optical lens. Lock focus and exposure by holding on the subject until AE/AF lock appears, because different lenses meter differently. Make sure to steady the phone or mount it on a tripod. Optical focal changes are only useful. Finish by framing and recomposing after the lens change. Optical focal length alters field of view, so adjust your position. Take the shot and review at 100% to confirm sharpness. If the image looks soft, make sure the external lens is aligned and clean, reattach the mount, or switch back to the built-in lens. Misalignment is the usual cause. Remember, the only real way to change focal length is switching optical lenses. Avoid relying on digital zoom for true focal change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.